I know guys na pretty excited kayo sa bagong release na Samsung Galaxy S23 series. And there's these S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. So most of them, or probably all of them, halos kasing kamuka ng S22 series. Now, in this video, I'll just quickly run you down yung itsura niya, what you would expect from all of these three devices, which one ang dapat nyo piliin. Don't go away after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako si Rich from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So guys, iniko na natin ang Samsung Experience Center and nahawakan natin all three devices. And let's just quickly start off with the main highlight, si Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So this phone comes with, of course, the latest na Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So grabe, ang ganda nitong display na ito. I can say dynamic AMOLED na 120Hz of screen refresh rate. It can support up to HDR10+. 1,750 nits ang kanyang max brightness and ang screen size niya is at 6.8. Meron siyang S Pen, like, of course, as expected, and protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. So it's also being powered by Android 13 sa loob ng One UI 5.1. Now, ang pinaka-highlight na itong phone na ito is ang kanyang quad camera, starting off with the 200MP na main camera sensor with OIS. Of course, there's the 10MP na periscope na telephoto lens, 10MP na telephoto lens, as well as the 12MP na ultra-wide lens. Then sa harap niya, there's always the 12MP na front-facing camera. Yung sa likod niya, can shoot up to 8K and 30 FPS. Then sa harap niya, can shoot up to 4K and 60 FPS. Now, kanyang security, meron siyang fingerprint na under display. And this one is being powered by 5,000 mAh na battery, supporting up to 45 watts na wired charging. Then, of course, support din niya ang Qi wireless charging as well. So, there's a quite a number of colors na nakita natin. There's the green, the lavender, the phantom black, and yung color white as well. Now, itong phone na ito will be retailing at 81,990 ang kanyang pinaka-base na model. So, I hope to get a hands-on sa unit na ito and be doing a full review for all of you guys. Now, next in line is, of course, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. This one has a dynamic AMOLED display din, then 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Same din kanyang max brightness, 1,750 nits. Then, of course, smaller ang kanyang screen at 6.6-inch. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 as well. Then, being powered by the same processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Then, this one has a triple camera setup, 50MP main camera sensor, 10MP na telephoto lens, and 12MP na ultra-wide lens as well. Now, yung kanyang harap is a 12MP na front-facing camera, and likod niya can shoot up to 8K 30 FPS. Ang harap niya can shoot up to 4K and 60 FPS. This one has stereo speakers and being tuned by AKG. Then yung kanyang fingerprint sensor is under display na ultrasonic. Then this one has a smaller battery at 4,700 mAh na battery, but I think this one is a little bit bigger than the S22 Plus. Then 45 watts na wired charging, and it also supports wireless Qi charging as well. This one, nakita natin na color is lavender, phantom black, green, and of course yung white. Now let's move on to the basic na version ng S23, no, yung pinaka-base model niya, which is the S23 itself. Now, itong phone na ito is also being powered by the very powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, dynamic AMOLED display, 6.1-inch, siyang pinakamaliit sa kanilang lahat. Then, of course, 120Hz of screen refresh rate, HDR10, and 1,750 nits ang kanyang max brightness. Pareho lang sila all throughout. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, then being powered by Android 13, and of course, One UI 5.1. Then, ang kanyang triple camera is the same as the Plus version, 50MP main camera sensor, 10MP telephoto, and 12MP na ultra-wide lens. Ang harap niya is a 12MP shooter. Then, well, video, it can also record up to 8K 30 FPS sa likod. And of course, sa harap, 4K and 60 FPS. Stereo speaker siya, being tuned by AKG. Under display na fingerprint sensor, the ultrasonic as well. And ang kanyang battery is not that big, 3,900 mAh. Ang kanyang fast charging is 25 watts. But it also supports wireless charging as well. Now, itong phone na ito, nakita natin na phantom black, lavender, and cream. And itong phone na ito, nakita natin in black, lavender, and white. Now, itong phone na ito will be retailing at 53,990 at your favorite Samsung store. And guys, one of the main highlight nito phone na ito, pwede mong i-crop out agad ang yung picture from yung photo na kuha mo, no? I-remove na yung background, which is pretty nice. But this one is nothing new sa iOS. This one was being deployed sa iOS 16 way back 2022. So, sa Android bago, sa iOS, it's not so new. So, of course, ako personally, I'm very excited na i-share sa inyo ang magiging experience ko dito sa phone na ito. Once I get my hands on any one of this device, we'll be doing a full review on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. So, if you have anything na gusto nyo i-cover natin, hit it on the comment section below. And if you feel that itong Samsung Galaxy S23 is the phone for you, let me know on the comment section. So guys, if you want to pre-order, I'll be posting all the links on the description box below. Just check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click the bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?